What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to calculate an average in Microsoft Excel. Understanding how to calculate averages is essential for analyzing data effectively, whether you're reviewing sales, grades, or any other numerical data. Let's get started with a basic example, where you have a table with quarterly values and you want to find the average for Q1. Select the cell for the average. First, decide where you want the average result to display. Let's say you choose cell B14 for the average of Q1 values. Click on cell B14 to select it. With cell B14 selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look to the right side and find the AutoSum button. Click on a small drop-down arrow next to it and select Average. Excel will automatically suggest a range of cells to calculate the average based on your current selection. If Excel's suggested range isn't correct, you can change it. Click and drag across the cells you want to average to adjust the range. For example, if Q1 values are in cells B2 to B13, make sure those are the cells highlighted. Once you have the correct range selected, press Enter. Excel will calculate and display the average value in cell B14. For those who are more comfortable with Excel, you might want to enter the formula manually. Click on cell B14 again and enter the formula manually. Type equals average open bracket into the cell. As you type, Excel will help by suggesting the average function. After typing the open bracket, select the range B2 to B13 with your mouse or keyboard. This tells Excel exactly which cells you want to include in the average. Type a closing bracket after the selected range and press Enter. Excel will compute the average and display the result in B14. And there you have it. Calculating averages in Excel is straightforward, whether you use the automatic feature or enter the formula manually. Both methods provide quick and accurate means to analyze your data effectively. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.